Good day, students. Welcome to another episode of School on Air. I'll be your instructor for today, and the subject is Basic Science for JSS 2. The topic for today is woodwork machine. Woodwork machine. The lesson objective for this class is at the end of the lesson, our students should be able to identify and state the uses of woodwork machines and portable power tools. 2. Name the parts of portable power tools and machines and state their functions. 3. Demonstrate safe use of portable power tools. And 4. Keep portable power tools and machine in good working condition. So the lesson objective of this class is 1. Our students should be able to identify and state the use of woodwork machines and portable power tools. 2. Name the parts of portable power tools and the machines. 3. Demonstrate safe use of portable power tools. And 4. Keep portable power tools and machines in good working condition. So woodwork machines, some common woodwork machines are bandsaw, surface planer, thicknesser, and circular saw. Bandsaw, surface planer, thicknesser, and circular saw. What is bandsaw? Bandsaw is a powerful saw with a long, sharp blade consisting of continuous and band of toothed metal stretch between the two or more wheels of the cut material. So bandsaw is a powerful saw which is long, is sharp, it has a sharp blade, consists of a continuous band of toothed metal stretched between two or more wheels to cut material. So bandsaw is majorly used for cutting material. So they are used principally in woodwork equipment and metalworking and lumbering work as well, but may cut a variety of other materials apart from wood. The slide I have before me is showing a bandsaw that has a frame, motor, we have the lens, and it's object access as well. So it is majorly used for cutting materials and wood materials as well. So steps in using a bandsaw, we have some necessary steps that we need to undertake for us to use a bandsaw successfully. The first step is make sure the machine comes to a complete stop. So you make sure the machine comes to a complete stop. That is after you have finished using it. Before you want to use it again, make sure the machine comes to a complete stop. Another point is set the top blade guide so that it clears the work. You have to set the top blade guide so that it clears the work appropriately. The third one is turn on the switch holding the work in both hands and feed slowly into the teeth. You have to turn up the switch holding the work in both hands and feed slowly into the teeth. The fourth one is cut near the marked line using enough pressure to keep the blade cutting. So the steps in using a bandsaw: first of all, make sure the machine comes to a complete stop. That means after you have used it, you have to make sure it comes to a complete stop. Set the blade guide so that it clears the work. You have to clear up the work. The third one is turn on the switch holding the work in both hands and feed slowly into the teeth. The fourth one is cut near the marked line using enough pressure to keep the blade cutting. So bandsaw precautions: for every machine equipment we have precautions to follow so that the material, or so that the machine, the instrument will not be faulty, so that the instrument will last long. So the precaution for bandsaw: first of all, the bandsaw should not be used for any other purpose except that of which it is being made. So any purpose that looks as if it is different for the purpose of which it is being made, the bandsaw should not be used for it. The second one is avoid improper fitting of saw blades. So improper fitting of saw, that means the blades it probably is not that of its size. So this can add too much strain into the saw. So wear the rubber bands at the ends of the pulley. So do not fit improper blades, maybe too short or too long.